Can I be honest with you for a second? Some of the things we have been doing to our hair for decades, things our mothers taught us, things we saw in magazines, things we swore by, are actually the very reasons our hair is thinning right now. Yes, I said it. And before you click away, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me, what is the #1 hair struggle you are dealing with right now? Is it breakage? Is it thinning at the crown? Is it dryness? Let me know. Because today we are talking about 5 doable steps that can genuinely help with the way your hair looks, feels, and grows. And trust me, it is never too late to start. Step 1. Stop using heavy products on fine, thin hair. This one surprises a lot of women. We grew up being told that our hair needs heavy moisture. We were taught to layer on the grease, the heavy creams, the thick butters. And for some hair types and some seasons of life, that was absolutely right. But here is the thing. When your hair is fine and thinning, heavy products weigh it down. They coat the strands, they clog the scalp, and they actually make your hair look flatter and thinner than it already is. Instead of giving your hair life, heavy products are suffocating it. So what should you be using instead? Look for lightweight, water-based moisturizers. Look for products that say things like volumizing, strengthening, or lightweight moisture. Ingredients like aloe vera, glycerin, panthenol, and biotin are your best friends right now. They hydrate the hair without dragging it down. Also pay attention to your scalp. A clean, healthy scalp is the foundation of healthy hair growth. You want to be washing your scalp regularly with a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo. Not every day, but consistently. Think once or twice a week depending on your lifestyle. And please, stop putting heavy grease directly on your scalp. It blocks the follicles and slows down growth. A light scalp oil like peppermint oil or rosemary oil, mixed with a carrier oil like jojoba or grapeseed, applied with a dropper directly to the scalp, is so much more effective. Step 2. Stop manipulating your hair so much. This one is hard to hear, but I need you to receive it. We need to stop touching our hair so much. Every time you comb through your hair, every time you pick it out, every time you reach up and pat or rub, you are creating friction. And friction on thin, fragile hair causes breakage. The ends break off, the strands weaken, and over time your hair gets shorter and thinner. This is why low manipulation styles are so powerful for women over 50 with thinning hair. Think about styles that require you to do your hair once, maybe twice a week, and then leave it alone. Braid outs done on damp hair, twist outs, bantu knot outs, protective styles, or even a beautifully styled wash and go on natural hair. These styles let your hair rest and recover while still looking absolutely gorgeous. And when you comb or detangle, always start from the ends and work your way up to the root. Never drag a comb from root to tip. That single habit change alone can reduce your breakage significantly. Use a wide-tooth comb or a detangling brush on wet, conditioned hair and be gentle. Your hair deserves patience. If you are learning something new today, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Step 3. Change how you think about heat styling. Now I am not going to tell you to never use heat again, because that is not realistic, and it is not what Ageless Black Pearls is about. We are about practical, real-life solutions. But I do need to be very honest with you about what heat is doing to your hair at this stage of life. When your hair is already fine and fragile, heat above 350 degrees Fahrenheit is causing damage with every single use. It is breaking down the protein structure of your strands, making them even weaker, even more prone to breakage and thinning. So here is the shift. If you love your flat iron or your curling wand, keep using it, but reduce the temperature. Stay between 200 and 250 degrees Fahrenheit for fine hair. Always, always use a heat protectant before applying any heat. And reduce your heat styling to no more than once a week, or once every 2 weeks if possible. On the days you are not using heat, embrace beautiful heatless styles that show off your natural texture. Roller sets on flexi rods or perm rods give gorgeous volume and curls without any heat damage. And the results? Absolutely stunning on women over 50. Your hair is not the enemy. The excessive heat has been the enemy. Now you know better, and you can do better. Step 4. Feed your hair from the inside out. This is the one most people skip, which is exactly why their hair is not growing. You cannot put the right products on the outside of your hair and ignore what is happening on the inside of your body. It just does not work that way. Thinning hair after 50 is very often connected to nutritional deficiencies. Iron, zinc, biotin, vitamin D, and protein are all critical for hair growth. And as we age, our bodies absorb these nutrients less efficiently. So even if you are eating reasonably well, you may still be deficient. Here is what I recommend. Talk to your doctor and ask for a blood panel that specifically checks your iron levels, your vitamin D, and your B12. These three are the most common deficiencies linked to hair thinning in Black women over 50. While you are waiting for those results, start incorporating more of these into your diet. Eggs, which are rich in biotin and protein. Leafy greens like spinach and kale, which are packed with iron and vitamins. Fatty fish like salmon or sardines for omega-3 fatty acids that nourish the scalp. Lentils and beans for plant-based protein. And lots of water, because a dehydrated scalp is a struggling scalp. If your diet is inconsistent, a good hair, skin, and nail supplement with biotin, collagen, and vitamins can also help fill in the gaps. But always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement, especially if you are on medication. We are getting to the last step now. Make sure to stay to the end, because I am also going to share a bonus tip that ties everything together. You do not want to miss it. Step 5. Embrace styles that work with your hair, not against it. This one is about mindset, just as much as it is about technique. It is time to stop fighting your hair and start working with it. So many of us spend enormous amounts of energy and money trying to make our hair look the way it used to. We are chasing volume that is not there, length that is struggling to hold on, and thickness that our hormones have changed. And in the process, we are stressing ourselves out and stressing our hair out even more. Here is the truth. Thin hair styled correctly is absolutely beautiful. The goal is not to hide your thin hair. The goal is to learn how to style it in ways that make it look fuller, healthier, and more intentional. Some of the most flattering things you can do with thin hair after 50 include getting a good cut. A layered cut or a cut with graduation adds movement and the illusion of fullness. A longer one-length style can actually make thin hair look limp and flat. So, talk to your stylist about a cut that works with your texture and density. Color can also be your best friend. Highlights and lowlights create dimension and depth that make thin hair appear fuller. A single flat color on thin hair makes it look even thinner. Strategic color placement changes everything. And if you love wearing wigs or protective styles, continue doing that, but give your natural hair underneath the care and attention it needs. Deep condition regularly, keep your scalp moisturized, trim your ends. Do not just tuck your hair away and forget about it. Now, I promised you a bonus tip, and here it is. The scalp massage. This is one of the most underrated, most powerful, and most completely free things you can do for thinning hair. Massaging your scalp for just 4 to 5 minutes a day increases blood circulation to the hair follicles. More blood flow means more nutrients reaching the follicles, which means more stimulation for hair growth. You can do it with your fingertips in the morning while your conditioner is sitting on your hair. You can do it with a scalp massager tool that costs just a few dollars. You can do it with a light rosemary oil blend before bed. Rosemary oil, by the way, has been studied and shown to be as effective as minoxidil in stimulating hair growth in some studies. That is significant. Make scalp massage a daily ritual. Pair it with some quiet time, some prayer, some music you love. Turn it into something you look forward to. Your hair and your spirit will thank you. Here is what I want you to walk away remembering today. Thinning hair after 50 is common, but it does not have to be permanent, and it does not have to define how you feel about yourself. You now have 5 concrete steps you can begin implementing this week. Switch to lightweight products, reduce manipulation, lower your heat, nourish your body from the inside, and embrace styles that celebrate your hair exactly as it is right now. You are not past your prime. You are in your most refined era, and your hair, your crown, deserves to reflect that. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today on Ageless Black Pearls. If this video helped you, please leave a comment below and let me know which step you are going to try first. That means the world to me, and it helps this community grow. Do not forget to like this video, share it with a woman who needs it, and subscribe so we can keep doing this together. Until next time, keep shining, keep glowing, and keep living ageless.